Hello everyone, Lina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give you a tour of my attendance tracker spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, we have three sheets. The first one is instructions. With this sheet, you will know what you can customize and what you cannot. The next one is setup. You can change attendance type and it will automatically create an initial shortcut for you. Now let's go into our main feature, the attendance tracker. First, you can change the start date. Click here to change the date. You can see the start date will change here. Then you can enter the number of students or number of people here, and it will change automatically. Then you can change the ID. No, you can type in the ID and name here. Then we can start tracking attendance. And we can look at the chart to see the participation rate of everyone in the class or work for the month. One special function is that you can select a student's name here and immediately see the numbers of days they were present, absent, or late. When you want to use these brushes for the next month, you just need to duplicate the sheet or rename it. And then choose a new start date. And you don't need to delete the old data manually, just use the clear button here. The old data will be automatically erased, saving you a lot of time. I have made a video how to make a clear button, and if you're interested, you can watch it here. To purchase these spreadsheets, you can go to my website notely.com through Google Sheets, Education, and choose Attendance Tracker. Currently, this spreadsheet comes in three colors: pink, purple, and blue, with a promotional price of $1. And when you buy the bundle of all three spreadsheets, it's only around $2. You can also check out other products from Notely and use the code Notely10 to get 10% off discount when you spend over $5. Thank you for watching these videos. If you want to create your own attendance tracker, you can check out my tutorial video here. So goodbye and see you in the next videos. Have a nice day.